We're out in the yard. Where are they? Oh, there they are. And they know I have treats. How they know I have treats. Here we go. Behind you. There it is. I'm gonna throw some to the other dogs. I can't get these far enough away from you. Oh, where you going? Hey, Dad, where you going? Hey, Dad, where you going? Oh, the treats are over here. We're throwing treats, and they're catching them, oops, and not fighting over them. There you go. Sit. Can you sit? Good sit.
One of them do sit.
Hey, can you sit? Sit. Not you, May. Sit.
He's like, I'm sitting, I'm sitting.
Sit. I don't know if he knows sit or he just knows that when there's a treat that he has to sit. Wait, 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 wait. Good dog. Sit. May, sit. Okay. Easy, easy. You got to start working on some weight for your food. Rossi Bossy. There you go, Rossi. Minnie Yan Yan. Minnie Yan Yan. Come here, Tilly. Come here, Tilly. Tilly. All right. Sit. Good sit. Good not get her. He's just barking for food. Sit. All right, get it. Can't yell at a deaf dog to quit. Okay, sit. Hey, Dean. Good sit. All right, this is it. Come on, my old boy here with cancer needs one. There you go. I know you've had one. I know you have. Where's Max? Max! You're missing out, big guy. I can't. I can't hear you. Marilyn's missing out too. Marilyn, pay heads up. Hey, hey, hey. No. No. No treats for you. No treats for you. Here's a Jeffrey treat. Okay. Okay, Dean. Sammy, I mean. Sit. Sit, Sam. Sam don't know sit. Good boy. Good boy. All right, let's go. That's it. We're out. We're out. We're out. Honestly. Where are the boys? Oh, there they are. I lose them. I just lose them in all this. All right, back in the house.